Greetings everyone. Today we are starting new chapter, that is gravitation. See the introduction first. We always observed that an object dropped from a height falls towards the earth. We know that all the planets go around the sun. The moon goes around the earth. In all these cases, there must be some force acting on the objects, planets, and on the moon. Isaac Newton could grasp that the same force is responsible for all these. This force is called the gravitational force. It is said that when Newton was sitting under a tree, an apple fell on him. The fall of the apple made Newton start thinking. He thought that if the earth can attract the apple, can it not attract the moon? According to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma, where F be the force, m be the mass of object, and a be the acceleration produced. If force is constant, then mass will be inversely proportional to the acceleration produced. Means, if mass of one object is more as compared to the other, then acceleration produced will be less. Question is, if the moon attracts the earth, why does the earth not move towards the moon? Answer is, the moon attracts the earth with the same gravitational force as the earth attracts the moon. But mass of earth is much larger than the mass of moon. As we did earlier, if force is constant, mass will be inversely proportional to the acceleration produced. Here, mass of earth is very large. Therefore, acceleration produced is negligible. Therefore, the earth does not move towards the moon. Now see earth-apple concept. As you can see in the figure, here earth exerts force on the apple. That means earth is attracting the apple. And apple exerts the same force on earth in order to attract it. The force responsible for the attraction between the two bodies is the gravitational force. These two forces are acting in opposite direction. Therefore, apple exerts the same force on earth. So, the force responsible for the attraction between the apple and the earth is gravitational force. In figure, these two forces are acting in opposite direction but has the same magnitude. Therefore, gravitational force holds Newton's third law of motion. See the question. It is seen that a falling apple is attracted towards the earth. Does the apple attract the earth? If so, we do not see the earth moving towards an apple. Why? Answer is, the earth attracts an apple and so does the apple attracts the earth with an equal and opposite force. Here, mass of the earth is extremely massive as compared to the moon. So, the acceleration produced is very small as compared to that in the apple. Hence, the motion of the earth towards the apple is not noticeable.